into my face base with me, I'll be using the foundation from UJV. So look at the shade match. It is not about capping, it is not about not showing what you use. Can you see how blended that foundation is on my skin? The coverage is beautiful. I love it. For my concealer, I'll be using these two shades, okay, to highlight my T-zone. Trying to highlight my face properly. Yes, I can get that lifted face. Now I'll be going in with UJV contour stick. It's got the brush to blend behind it, and it's got the product here. So here, if you don't know how to contour your face, a nice sculpture of your face, okay? And that slim cheeky babe. And for the blush, I'll be going in with our products from UJV. You can see super pigmented and blendable. It's time for us to start blending. Yeah, you blend everything out easily. She's taking it upward. So let's blend out the blush, okay? For us to blend our concealer. Please make sure your concealer stays where you want it to stay. You don't need to start spreading it. You see the way I'm taking it? I'm only blending out the edges. When you're done with the blending, you go in with your foundation brush, okay? Use that to get rid of every harsh lines you've got on your face by dabbing, okay? So you powder contour. You want to give your nose another shape entirely, so be very careful. For the powder blush, I'll be using these two shades. Remember, it has a strong pigment. Okay? Now it's the time for us to blend everything you have on our face. Go in with a powder that is your skin shade. Tap everything on your skin. Okay? Lash gives your makeup a good and poppy get change. Okay? Always do it. It's glowing time. Let us glow. Okay, going with your highlighter with a fluffy brush. Okay, see how glowy that cheek is. Let's see the final results. Ta-da! Here's the final look. Doesn't this look gorgeous?